What's up guys, in this video I will show you some really cool updates with CoolWallet. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of CoolWallet. Link will be in the description of the video. We created a video review on the actual wallet. Go ahead and check out the channel. But this one, I wanted to show you some really good updates starting with the Lucky Bag. And as you can see guys, they are celebrating their 10th anniversary. Yes, they are already 10 years. So they have a CoolWallet 10th anniversary Lucky Bag, which is this at $239 only. So you could go ahead and check this one out. So this is the one that is included, guys. You have the ultra thin card, the 0.8mm. So actually that doesn't start there, guys. It's not just the discounting, but as you can see here, every purchase of their commemorative Lucky Bag grants you an entry into their anniversary lottery. So you can go ahead and check that one out. Note also the delivery details, guys. They will start delivering it on February 15th at +8 GMT. So that is the update for the Lucky Bag, guys. And the next one that I would actually like to tell you guys is the staking 2.0 for CoolWallet. So for this one, guys, they are actually supporting these crypto already. So you have the Ethereum, the Polkadot, Cardano, Tron Stake 2.0, you have Solana, Cosmos, and the Tezos. You also have all the details if you are new with crypto, guys. This is something that you really need to know. This is something that could get you earning passive income. So you have the definition of staking and how you can earn rewards out of those staking activities that you are doing. All right. And the next update that I would also like to tell you guys is the partnership between CoolWallet and Changelly. So now you could already make your swaps with Changelly. So Changelly is an instant cryptocurrency swap platform that you guys could go ahead and check out. So it is already supported with CoolWallet. That is actually a very good addition for the available exchanges in CoolWallet. And then lastly, guys, the CoolWallet and the Changelly partnership with swapping as well. So CoolWallet is continuously partnering up with different exchanges, guys. That way you would have a lot of options on which exchange you would like to do your activities or the swaps that you are doing. So you have the definition of who Changelly is and how do you use Changelly with the CoolWallet app. If you want to see the CoolWallet app, guys, go ahead and check out our channel. We created an entire review and the how-tos on the app itself. And of course, guys, CoolWallet wanted to make sure that different countries with different languages would be able to utilize their website. And in that case, they added a lot more languages that you could choose from right here. So you have Chinese, you have French, you have Turkish, you have Russian, and of course, Spanish and English. All right, so you could go ahead and check that one out here as well. They also have the DEX cross swap chain, guys, and there is a new chain which is Disney or DIS. You can go ahead and check that one out in their website as well. Now, there are also other features that are notable in the website and in the app, guys. You have the trending news, you have the notification center, smart scan optimization, and the staking tab on the wallet page, guys. You can go ahead and check that one out. You have staking here in the service, so you could check that here. So you have supported staking crypto, what is staking, why staking on crypto, and validators and service providers all are here. So if you click on it, it will take you directly to the definition on that one. And of course, they also have the FAQs here. Okay, if you highlight those tabs on top, guys, it will take you directly to whichever you would like to check out. And of course, guys, make sure to do your own research. There are a lot of different things in CoolWallet that is really nice, and I would strongly suggest that you do your own research. Check their website out, check the video that we created. That way you could see the actual app and the actual wallet as well. And of course, stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will be very helpful in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.